another issue, the DILG earlier presented to the public yung arrested Russian-American vlogger who harassed security guards. So ma'am, does that mean that that will serve as a warning, not just for foreign social media creators, but for foreigners in general, that if they play around with our laws, then they will be presented to the public and they will be meted with respective charges? Because ma'am, sabi po ng DILG, hindi raw ide-deport and instead, he will be prosecuted here in the Philippines.
Yan po ay papatunay lamang po na tayo po ay hindi nagbibiro. Kung dapat may managot ay dapat panagutin. Hindi lamang po ito ang una malamang na mangyayari dahil nabalita na rin po na yung mga fake news peddlers ay nakasuhan na po, sinampahan na po ng kaso at mukhang yun po yung first batch. So alamin pa po natin kung may mga makakasuhan pa po ng mga fake news peddlers.